If you're looking for a place in Guam where everyone from children to the elderly can enjoy together, Bikini Island Club is the answer, a spot visited repeatedly by people from many countries. And we exclusively have the latest Yamaha jet skis in large numbers as of 2025. Our well-designed programs ensure fun for everyone from kids to seniors. There's no room for dull moments. We're the only marine sports company with a coffee shop and restaurant on site. How about capturing your life memories at the beautiful Bikini Island, famous on SNS for perfect photo spots? We've prepared programs suitable for all ages, from children to seniors. Experience the real sea and true activities in Guam. The only place where you can enjoy all the fun, at Bikini Island Club. See you at Bikini Island Club.
On Bikini Island, where the sun shines bright, with family by my side, everything feels right. We're ready for adventure, the ocean's calling me. From jet skiing fast to the dolphins in the sea. Come on and dive in, let's make a splash. Parasailing high, we're flying so fast. Banana boat, laughter, and we glide away. Bikini Island, we're here to play. With every wave we ride, our spirits soar high. The beauty of the ocean, stretching wide and high. Watch as dolphins dance under the sun's warm glow. This paradise of fun, only here can we know. Come on, dive in, let's make a splash. Parasailing high, we're flying so fast. Banana boat, laughter as we glide this way. At Bikini Island, we're here to play. A place for every family, where joy fills the air. Making memories together, without a single care. With every splash and smile,